In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to see your Reels watch history on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then you can navigate to the Reels tab. If you have liked, commented or reposted any of the Reels you watched, you can easily find them again by going into your profile. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Head over to this section, your activity. Under that, you're going to find this interactions tab. Now go to the option likes. And over here, you're going to find all the videos that you have liked. Likewise, you can navigate to the comments tab as well. So right now, this is the only way to view watched Reels. Also, you can head back and scroll down. Over here, under how you use Instagram, you might find the option of watch history. If you do have that option, click on that and you're going to find all the Reels that you have watched. As this is the new option, this might not be available to all the users. In case you have that option, you can click on it. And with that, you'll get access to your Reels watch history. And that's it. This way you can easily view your Reels watch history on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.